Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to open the gas cap on an Acura RDX. This will be a super easy tutorial and I'll be going over the fuel door and how to open it specifically. Now this is a 2021 Acura RDX, but if you have a slightly older model or a slightly newer model, it's probably going to be a very similar process. Now what you want to do is walk over to the driver's side of the vehicle, okay? So you can see it's on the driver's side of the vehicle, it's back there, and where a lot of people go wrong is they start looking on the inside of the truck for the fuel door lever, because that's usually where you find it, somewhere on the floor area of the driver's side seat in the front of the vehicle. But in reality, if you walk over to the fuel door right here, all that you have to do is take your hand, okay, and it hinges this way. So there's a hinge over here. So you're taking your hand towards the back of the vehicle on the fuel door, pushing it and releasing it. It pops open. Then you can open this up. Now you'll notice that there's no actual gas cap on here. It's a new system where you take your fuel device and you sort of just put it right in there, and you don't need to remove any gas cap. You just put it right in there, fill up, and then you take it out when you're done. Now whenever you're finished with your fuel door, what you want to do is take it like this. You want to bring it almost closed and push it and release it. That's it. So to open the gas cap on an Acura RDX, you push and release and you can pull it open. There's no actual gas cap, right? We're just talking about the fuel door here. And there's the hinge, the hinged portion. You fill up. When you're done, you close it like this, and then you press it shut. That's it. It's literally that easy. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.